Hello friends, good afternoon. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back in CLS Kyan. I'm your friend CL Sharma amongst you with one of very interesting topic, that is fast and easy method to make square and multiply of two digits. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you the answer of very interesting question that is asked by one of my fan, Yaman. So to get that answer, stay with me till the end of this video. So before that, let's start quickly to learn fast and easy method to make square and multiply of two digits. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, we are going to learn the square of the number which are closer to 50, okay, and 100. Okay, so first I'll take an example for the number which is closer to 100. So let's take an example. First example, suppose I'm taking a number 94, which is closer to 100. So we have to make the square of 94. So there are only two steps. So in step 1, what do you need to do? You have to subtract this given number from 100. Okay, how much you will get? 6. Okay, so whatever the number you will get, you have to write the square of this number in two digits. So square of this 6 is equals to what? 36. Okay, you have to write it in two digits, right? Suppose it was 3. So what is the square of 3? 0, 9 you have to write. Not 9. You have to write 0, 9. Like suppose it was 2. So square of 2 is 0, 4 you have to write. Not only 4. You have to write 0, 4. So you have to write this square in two digits. Okay, so this is the first step. So second step is what? Whatever the number you had here, okay, you have to subtract it from the given number. Like given number is 94, you have to subtract this given 6. So from 94 you have to subtract this 6. So whatever you will get write it here. Okay, this is 88, so you will write it here. So this is the answer of square of 94. You can check in calculator what is the square of 94 times 94. Okay, so see, answer is same. Okay, so let's take another example which is more than 100. Suppose you are taking an example for 104. Okay, so let's apply the same step 1. So in this step 1 you have to subtract from the given number is this minus 100. You have to subtract so that you could get a number, okay, this 4, and you have to write the square of this 4. Okay, whatever will be the square, you have to write it here in two digits. This is the step 1. In step 2, what you will do, you will just add. Here you subtract. You see, here you subtract if it is less than 100. If the number is more than 100, then you have to add. So add this given 4 in this given 104. So 104 was given and this 4 came after subtraction. So you will add this 4 here in the given number and that will gives you 108. So this you will write here directly. So this is the answer of square of 104. So you can check here in calculator, 104 times 104. It will give you, see, the answer is same. Okay, so hope you understand. Now let's take another example for the number which is closer to 50. Okay, so suppose I'm taking example for 47. Okay, it is a number closer to 50. So the same step you have to apply. Step 1, 50 minus this given number, whatever you will get, you will write it here. So it is 03. So you will write the square of this 03. It will be 09. The square of this, okay, you have to write. Okay, this is the first step. So in the second step, there is little change in the second step, as it is half of 100. So you have to make half of this 50. So half of this 50 is coming 25. So you have to add and subtract from this fixed number 25. So let's do, as it is less than 50, so you will write this 25 here and you will subtract because it is less than 50. If it is more than, you must add it. Okay, as it is less than 50, so you will subtract this 3 number, yani 3, from this 25. So what you will get? You will get 22. So this 22 you will write here, and that's gonna be the answer for this. Okay, so let's check again. The square of 47, 47 times 47, you will get 22 or 9. Okay, so let's take another example for this. More than 50. Okay, so let's take second example. More than 50. Second example, suppose we are taking 63. Okay, so square of 63 by following the same steps. Step 1, what you will do, you will subtract the little change in step 1. Here from 50 you have to subtract the given number. Here from the given number you have to subtract 50 if it is larger. Okay, so what it will give you? It will give you 13. So you have to write the square of 13, that is equals to 169. So last two digit you have to take only, last two digit. Okay, so you write this two digit 69, this one will be carry. Okay, this is carry. Okay, so remember this carry. So in second step what you will do, you will add this 13 in this fixed number 25. So 25 plus, here you subtracted because it was less than 50. If it is more than 50 you must add. Okay, so 25 plus this 13 you will get 38. Okay, plus this carry, so you will add this carry, you will get 39. So this 39 you will put here in front of this 69. So this is gonna answer of this 63. So you can check it quickly in calculator. You can say this is 63 times 63. It is 3969. Already I've done, so it saves your time. So let's go back quickly. Let's take another example on behalf of this method, and it can be a little faster because I'm not going to explain the step this time. Okay, and if you'll do more practice on this method, you may be or you must be faster than a calculator. So let's do how. Let's take an example for, suppose you are taking an example for 98, the square of 98. What you will do, the step 1 directly I'm using. Okay, the square, it is 2 less than 100, so I'll write the square of 2, that is 04, and I'll subtract 2 from this given number, you'll get 96. This is the square. You can check 98 times 98. See, it is same. Okay, another example you can take, suppose you are taking the square of 99. So it is 1 less than 100, so square of 1 is 01, and once 1 minus, and subtract 1 from this 99, you will get 98. So this is the square of 99. You can check it again, 99 times 99, it will give you the same number. Okay, or another example closer to 50, suppose you are taking 40, suppose 44. Okay, so it is 6 less than 50, so we'll add the square of 6, that is 36, and you will subtract 6 from 25. So 25 minus 6, you will get 19, so you will write 19 here. This is the square of 44. You can check quickly. Okay, 44 times 44, you will get 1936. It's easy. So let's take another example which will be more than 50. Suppose we are taking 59. Okay, so it is 9 more than 50, so the square of 9 you have to write, that is 81, and add 9 in 25, so you will get 34. This is the answer. So let's check quickly it. 59 times 59. See, answer the same. So you can do the practice. I'm giving you for the practice 91 square, okay, 103 square, okay, and 49 square, and 54 square. So you have to do practice for this. Okay, and you have to give me the answer in the comment box. I'll wait for you. Okay. Okay, now we are going to learn the second method for the square or product. Okay, especially for two digits. Okay, so in this method you can take any number starting from 1 to 99. Okay, any number. Okay, any number you can take. So let me take first any smaller number. Suppose we are taking 12. It will be easier to understand, and then I will take the a bigger number closer to 19. And so let's start with 12. So there are three steps. So step number one, see in the given number, this is the unit digit and this is the 10 digits, okay, tens digits. So in the step one, you have to make the square of unit digits. What is unit digit? 2. So you have to write square of this. This is 4. So you will write here 4, okay. Now in step 2, what you need to do, you need to multiply tens and unit digit. So what is the tens and unit digit here? 1 and 2, okay, it will give you 2. Now make double it, make it double. Yani what you will do, you will multiply the answer with 2, it will give you 4. So this 4 you have to write here again, okay. Now what you need to do in step 3, you have to make the square of this tens digits, okay, square of tens digit, okay, square of 10 digits. See here in step 3, so what is tens digits here? 1. So square of 1 is 1, so you have to write this one here. So this is gonna be the answer of square of 12. So you can check it quickly. Square of 12, and 12 times 12 will be square, and it is same, you can see, okay. So now let me take quickly the bigger number. Suppose we are taking 96, okay. So same step we'll use. Step 1, the square of unit number, unit digit. Unit digit is 6, so square of 6 is 36. So you will take only 6 from here, so you write 6 here, and this 3 is carry, okay. Suppose this is carry, okay. Now I'll write here step 2. In step 2, what you will do, you will multiply tens and unit digits. So here we have 9 and 6, so you will multiply them, 9 and 6, it is coming 54, and you will make it double, so multiply with 2, so you will get 108, and 3 were carry, so you will add 3 as carry, you will get 111. So out of this you will take only this 1, so 1 will be here, and this 11 will be carry, okay, this is carry, okay. So in step 3, you are going to finish it. You will write the square of distance. So 10 square is here 9 square, that is equals to 81, and 81, 81, so I write here 81 plus this carry, how much? 11. So okay, so how much it will be? It will be 92, okay. So put here 92. So this is the answer of the square of 96. You can check here quickly. 96 times 96, you will get, see, it's same. So I hope you also understand this method. Okay, so now we'll do it in short way. So the same second method in short way, without any rules, I'll solve it. So let's take an example for 15. Okay, so in step 1, what I will do, the square of this 5, that is 25, I will write here 5, okay, and 2 will be carry. I'm just circling the carry, okay. In step 2, I will multiply 1 and 5, it will give me 5, and I'll make it double, so it will get 10, and I will add this 2 because it was carry, so it becomes 12. Out of this 12, I will write 2 here, and 1 will be carry, okay, this is carry, okay. In step 3, I will do the square of this 1, yani tens digit. So the square of this is 1, and I'll add this 1 as carry, so it will becomes 2. So I'll write it 2 here. So this is the square of 15. So I think this is much faster. So on behalf of this, you can do the practice. So I'll give some question for you to do the practice, okay. So suppose you have to do the square of 18, square of 26, okay, square of 54, square of 87, square of 91, okay. So do the practice on these and write back your answer in the comment. Okay, let's learn about method number 3. Okay, in this method you will learn the product or multiply of two digits. These two digits can be same or can be different. So let's start quickly. Let's take an example for different numbers. Suppose you are having 92 and that is multiply by 36. So if you are asked to do it in one line, so how you will do, there is one rule. You have to apply this rule 1 to 1. So from the back side you have to apply. So this is the step 1. So how you will apply this one, you have to multiply this in vertical form from this side. Okay, so 2 times 6, 2 times 6, yani 6 times 2, it will be 12. So this 2 you have to write it here, and 1 will be carry. So I'm just circling the carry. Okay, now come to the next step. This is 2. So how you will apply this 2? So you'll just do the cross multiply of these two digits, and you'll add the result. So how you will do, 9 times 6 you will get 54, and 3 times 2 you will get 6, and this carry also 1, so you will add 1. So add all these, you will get 61. So out of this 61 you will take 1 here, and this 6 will be as carry. Okay, so now let's do the next step. 1, so 1 from this left sides you will do 3 times 9, or you can say 9 times 3, it will be 27, and you will add this carry. So this carry is 6, so 27 plus this 6, you will get 36. So directly you will write this 36 here. So this is the answer of this product. So you can check in calculator as well. So what is this? 92 times 36, it's 3312. You can see our result is same. Okay, so let's take another example quickly for the same number. Suppose 26 times 26, or you can write 26 square. So how you will write 26 times 26? Like this way. So you will apply this 1 in this vertical form from this back side. So 6 times 6, 36. You will write 6 here, 3 will be carry. Okay, then do the cross multiply. 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 2, 12. So 12 plus this 3 carry. So you will get 27. So out of this 27, 7 you will write here, and this 2 will be carry. Okay, now apply this 1. How you will do? 1, yani this 2 times 2, 2 times 2, and add this carry plus 2. So you will get 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So you write it 6. So it is 676 is the answer. Let's check quickly. It is 26 times 26. You can see in the calculator it is 676, and our result is same. So hope you understand this. So let me give you some question for practice to you, and these are the questions you have to do. Okay, so do it quickly and send back to me in chat box. Okay, now last but not the least, we have this question. This question was asked by one of my fan. I told you in the starting, and the question was, why anything or any numbers having power 0 like this gives us 1. So this was the question. Okay, how it is coming. So I'll give the answer for this. Stay with me. So let's start quickly. So you can see here what happened if the number is divided by itself. Everybody know it will give you 1. Okay, so any number divided by itself always gives us 1. Okay, so let's see how. Suppose you have 5 and it is divided by 5, so you'll get 1. Okay, example number 1. Suppose example number 2. Suppose you have 5 power 2 divided by 5 power 2. What, how you can write it? 5 power 2, you will take it up, what it will become, multiply 5 power minus 2. So how you can write? There is the rule, if the base are same, these are the base and these are the exponents. Okay, exponents. Okay, and these are the base. So there is the rule, if the base are same, so you will take common as base and you will add the powers, or you can say you will add the exponents. So what it will become? 2 minus 2. So it will be 5 power 0. Okay, it was C, yani same number divided by itself, yani a number was divided by itself, so it must give you 1. The answer for this should be 1, but here it is giving us 5 power 0 here. So yani answer for this should be same like 1. So I think hope you understand how anything having power 0, suppose anything power 0 gives us 1, suppose it is power 0 gives us 1. So any number, suppose it is 99, it will having power 0, so it will also give you 1. So like this you can have the answer for this. So hope you understand. Okay, thank you for watching CLS Gyan. Do like, subscribe, share and comment in chat box. Bye bye.